Today I'm going to show you tofu with tomato sauce. The first material, tofu. It's made of soy sauce. Next, tomato. Action. First we'll fry the tofu. We slow down. Put the oil in. Then we'll put tofu in. After the beans are yellow, we'll pick them up. After the frying is done, we'll have a plate of fried beans. It's delicious. We'll make ketchup in a minute. Now we will. The first thing we do with tomato sauce is we put fat in it. Light up. Sliced tomatoes. Let's give it a tomato out. Then we add a little bit of fat. This is a fat tip, gentlemen. It is made from pork fat. Let's take the fat. And this part of the review is also called lard. We put it in. Island up and park in. Let's taste the seasoning. Let's have some soup. $1,000. And put some water in and we'll boil it and turn it around. When it's almost 9, we'll leave. The onions that we just prepared at the beginning. We're just burning about 5 minutes. It's already ripe. That's how we got it. A tofu dish with tomato sauce. Looks very attractive, doesn't it? You're welcome.